Hey y'all, this is your girl J Simone. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how I do my night routine. I'll be showing you how I clean my face at night and how I do my hair at night for that protective style, honey. So let's just go ahead and get into it because I'm tired. I'm ready to go to bed. I do my face first. I just got out the shower, so I usually like to get out the shower, brush my teeth, and then wash my face. Now I use two things to wash my face, but I'm going to be using this tonight. This is my go-to right here. We got the deep clarifying exfoliating rub. Now I do use another brand, but I brought the wrong kind, so I'm not even gonna like show y'all that because I haven't been using it. I've been using this right here, and it's like $4 from Walmart. Cheap, honey. So I'm gonna start it with this. I like a damp rag on my face to start. Open them pores. I have a little brush that I use. This is from Shein for like $2. Yes, $2. So I like to put my cleanser on the brush, wet the brush first, and then put some up there, and you just turn it on. It's gonna start getting like foamy. I added some more water on it. If you need to add a little bit more cleanser, do.
You okay?
I'm good, bro. You geeking, bro. I'm good.
Bro.
Bro, just hold me. I'm good, bro.
Bro. Are you crying, bro?
Okay, I'm back. So if you need to add a little bit more cleanser, you can do that. I just do this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Gotta get that neck. Oh, yo, my eyes is burning. That stuff got in my eyes. Not a good first impression. So important to wash your face day and night because all day we have on these masks, and I have mask knee. That's mask knee, and I hate it so much. I clean my face every day and every night. So if y'all have some tricks for that, please let me know. All right, so we're gonna wash this off and move on to the next step. Also, guys, when you're washing your cleanser off, I like to use not even lukewarm, almost cold, but to the point where you can still feel a little heat. All right, so step 2, I got this dark spot correcting serum from Shein. I use this right here to correct my dark spots. I put it on my eyelids. I put it right here because I had a pimple right here and it created a dark spot. And I also put it on my acne in my neck. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for step 2. I don't have any more toner, so this is my second step for my process until I get some more toner. So I just put it like up here because it be like dripping. And you just rub it in. Just rub it all in like that, and I put it on that little pimple, not pimple, but a dark spot right there. I clear that up, and then I put it on my mask knee. And I also have like dark spots like right on my face. All right, so that step is done. If you got a little bit of time, you can put on like a mask. 15-30 minutes. I'm not gonna do that. I do that on my days off, not for my night routine. The last step, well, the second to the last step, I put on a water gel mask. This is from Five Below, y'all. Five Below! And I love this stuff because it works as a moisturizer. It can work as a mask. You can leave it on. So this is what I do at night. And you don't have to put on a lot at all. I just do like that. And then I just rub it like so. I think this was like $4 or $5 at Five Below. Of course, a little bit more. And that is it, honey. Oh, one more thing. The special ingredient. Vaseline. If y'all put on Vaseline, especially if you melanin like me, what are you doing? You gotta have some Vaseline. I put it on my lip.
Jesus Christ.
I put it on these eyebrows because y'all see how thick these eyebrows is. I ain't trying to look. I'm gonna give y'all some hacks, okay? I put Vaseline on my eyebrows every night in the morning. It keeps my eyebrows thick. You get your eyebrows waxed every 4 weeks, every couple of weeks. How you gonna keep them thick, sis? Huh? Vaseline. Vaseline, definitely. That's it for that. Quick, easy. If you wanna just get out the shower, wash your face, go to bed. There you go. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and then some toner. I don't have no toner right now. And then step 4, the Vaseline. You done. Ooh, don't worry about that. We about to get to that. Okay, we about to get to that. Hold on. Face all washed. Now we're gonna get to this head, sweetie. So I like to do this method. It's just braiding it, plaiting it. But I like to do this to keep my hair moisturized and detangled. This is what I do for the most part at night. I try to do it every night. And my hair is dirty. Like, you can do this if your hair dirty, if your hair clean. I'm just massaging it just to get a little kinkiness out. To detangle my hair at night, I use the Rose Water Curl Refreshener by Thank God Is Natural. My all-time favorite is Design Essentials, the almond and avocado moisturizing lotion. This is almost gone. I need to order some more. I love this stuff. It's almost gone, so I've been using this right here, but this works perfectly fine. 2 moisturizers. You need to moisturize your hair every single day, and that's what I've been trying to do morning and night. And this is what I'll be using. And last but not least, perm rods. Determine how you want your part. Oh, I think I want a middle part. Look at this. Ew. Yeah, I have to wash this tomorrow. So I'm gonna part it the way I want my hair to be styled when I take it out. It's kind of gonna look like how I have my hair when I do like flexi rods, but like looser curl. All right, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of water, not a lot. Try to get some of this out. The avocado and almond moisturizer lotion. And I'm going to take it. All right, so go ahead and do a little plait. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I know I'm not perfect at all when I braid, but I get the job done. Okay, so basically I'm gonna be doing some Pop Smokes nighttime edition. You're gonna get all the way to the end. I'm gonna put a little bit of Eco Style on the end, like so. You're gonna take this perm roll right here. You're gonna wrap it. Wrap. Boom, there it is. Boom, there it is. Hey, boom, there it is. Y'all see that? Hold on, get a little air. Hey, I gotta get away from it. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna finish this side and do this side, and I'm gonna come back and show you how it looks at the end. All right, y'all, so I'm back. My hair is all braided up and rotted. I put a little of this in it just around my hair. Also, I got these 2 moisturizers from Sally's online, I believe. Yeah, Sally. They were on sale when I got them, so that's maybe why I got them. But these are really, well, this one top tier. I love this stuff because it really do moisturize my hair really good. Like, I use this, I try to use this as much as possible. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair growth oil in my hair. I'm making a mess on my Fenty sleepwear, my Fenty pajamas, aka Fashion Nova. Mind your business. All right, and that is it for your girl. You guys got my skincare night routine. It was quick. The face takes me about 5 to 7 minutes to do. My hair, it takes about 25 minutes. That's under an hour to get ready for bed, sweetie. When you take it on in the morning, it's gonna have volume, it's gonna be full. So I like that effect about doing the braids and the perm rods, because you can do it on dirty hair, you can do it on wet hair, you can do it on clean hair, whatever floats your boat, sweetie. Oh, one more thing. So I also use this moisturizer. I use the sachet moisturizer. This stuff is so good. I love this stuff. I'll link her website below. I'll be using this in the morning, but at night, this should go to right here, y'all. 5 below. Y'all see that skin? Period. Now, I am having some skin problems with the Mask Me. As you can see, my neck, my chin. So if y'all have some suggestions for me, please let me know, because I always wash my face in the morning and night, and it's actually kind of clearing up a little bit. It was a little bit worse than this. It's clearing up now. I never have skin problems, but I would have Mask Me. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful, and I hope to see you on the next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, sweetie. I'ma just holler at y'all on the next video. I'm going to bed. Bye. Why you still here? Bye. Psych.